everyone, myself Dipshika Mohanty. I am pursuing my MS in Botany from BHU and I am from Odisha. Before I start my topic, I want to tell you something about this platform. This is a master class and this is a very good initiative by BHU members, and the students will get more information about their future studies and guidance or information of any subjects whatever they want, because there are many guide and many mentors from different fields. The students will get more information from any field. This is very helpful. I think many students are in this group and from different regions of the India. This is very helpful and you all enjoy this platform, and this is a very good initiative. So let's start. My topic is global warming. Introduction. Global warming is the unusually rapid increase in Earth's average surface temperature over the past century, primarily due to the greenhouse gases released by people burning fossil fuels. What is global warming? So, you all know that carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and one gas is chlorofluorocarbon (CFC). These are the major cause of global warming, and this is simply, in simple words, the Earth's average temperature is increasing day by day, and the climate is changing due to this. So carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide is the most dangerous gases. As you know that India is a developing country, so there are many industries, factories are established, and due to these many dangerous gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and any other air pollutants are released from these factories and these industries. So this is why the climate is changing. Okay, what causes global warming? I have explained that global warming occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off the Earth's surface. Okay, then normally this radiation would escape into the space, but these pollutants, and which can last for years to centuries in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. This is called as greenhouse effect. As we know that global warming is not a personal issue. Okay, this is not limited in your country, in your state, in your city, or in your home. This is not a local problem. Okay, this is an international problem, international issues. Okay, this is a current issue. Global warming is the current topic. Okay, because this is not what from now. Okay, this is from centuries. The major cause is deforestation. As you know that India is a developing country. I have told that so many factories, many industries are established in the forest area. Okay, so we have to cut our forest. Okay, due to forest vegetation and all that things, the climate is stable. But due to our need, we cut our forest, we destroy our forest, so that the climate is changing. Okay, so climate is changing day by day, and climate has changed. As you see this image, then effect of global warming: climate change, sea level rise, glacier melts, acid rain, ozone depletion on plants and animal, and others. So there are many effects, but I can discuss one topic here. Ozone depletion is the most important topic, and ozone, you all know that the ozone layer is in stratosphere. Stratosphere what? Stratosphere is a sphere in the atmosphere. Okay, there is a layer in which ozone layer is present, and ozone layer is what? The ultraviolet rays from sun uh, here is trapped in this layer. Okay, the ultraviolet ray is most dangerous to our earth surface and to us. So this is very dangerous ray. So this ozone depletion means due to global warming there is a hole, on the ozone layer. Okay, this is called ozone depletion. So the major effect of global warming is ozone depletion. Okay, and also sea level rise due to what? Glacier melts, and you all know glacier like in Himalaya and in other ice area. So here is glacier is melting. Due to this, due to the sea level is rising day by day. Okay, this is what everything is get interlinked with each other. Okay. So this is a Kyoto Protocol. This is an important protocol. There are many international agreement that we have to reduce the emission of CO2 gas. So this is a protocol. This is a type of protocol. The Kyoto Protocol is an international treaty which extends the 1992 United Nations Framework Convention on the Climate Change that parties to reduce the greenhouse gas emission. So this is an international agreement. As I have told that this is not a personal issue or local issue. This is an international issue. So we have an agreement, and this is a very important protocol. And you have remembered that protocol, Kyoto Protocol. This is most important protocol. Okay? Then some current issues about this global warming, that anthropogenic CO2 increase day by day. Anthropogenic means what? Man-made activity. Okay, man-made activity means what we are doing. Okay, that anthropogenic CO2 gas is increasing, and past rapid warming levels in Arctic associated with widespread climate changes. Greenland ice sheet shows losses in 2019, and in 2019, as you know, Greenland in world map you can see where is the Greenland. Okay, this is this is the largest island in our world. So in Greenland, ice sheets shows losses in 2019. Larger variability in sea level expected as earth warms. Fossil leaves show high atmospheric carbon for ancient global greening. Okay, so carbon dioxide, and other heat trapping gases are main drivers of global warming. While climate change, we can't stop. Okay, climate is changing, and we can't stop this. Okay, we can't stop this, but it can be slowed. Okay, it can be slowed. How? This agreement is shows that we have to reduce greenhouse gas emission. Okay, we cannot change everything totally, but we can reduce. Okay, then we avoid the worst consequence of climate change. We will need to reach net zero carbon emission by 2050 or sooner. Okay, by 2050 or very early we have to reduce. We cannot change anything, but we have to reduce. Okay, so I think this is helpful to you. This is a brief discussion about global warming, and many more information if you want to get, you can go through any good books, and you can go through any Google, and internet sources are most important sources where you can get anything, and anything that you can current issue, whatever you want. So this is a very good initiative by BHU members, and I hope you all like this video. So thank you.